Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace Dodge Charger cabin air filter. Open the glove box and remove the stops to access the filter housing immediately. Unclip the housing cover carefully and pull out the old filter, noting its orientation. Inspect the housing for debris and vacuum if needed before inserting the new filter. Reassemble the cover, test the airflow, and enjoy cleaner cabin air and reduced odors. Begin by opening the glove box fully and pushing in the sides to free the stops, allowing it to hang down. With the glove box lowered, locate and unfasten the filter housing clips, then remove the cover. Pull the used filter straight out, watching for dust and leaves, then fit the new filter with the arrow pointing toward the cabin side. Snap the cover back on and lift the glove box into place securely. If the filter looks heavily soiled, wear gloves and a mask to reduce dust exposure while replacing it. Confirm the correct replacement by checking your VIN or measuring length, width, and depth from the old filter. While the cover is off, vacuum the filter housing and inspect drain channels to prevent moisture buildup and odors. A quick routine swap saves HVAC strain and keeps air quality better for passengers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.